Hey, what's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of the latest gadgets to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two titans of the 3D printing world against each other: the Asani Mini 3D printer and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. Get ready for a showdown of epic proportions. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes our wallets cry: the price. The Asani Mini comes in at a whopping $500. That's a significant investment, but it does come packed with features. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is just $219. That's less than what some people spend on coffee in a month. If you're looking to 3D print without breaking the bank, Creality. Next, let's see what you get in the box. The Asani Mini is basically a 3D printing treasure chest. You get a mini printer, 10 meters of PLA filament, a micro SD card preloaded with designs, and a bunch of other goodies. Reviewers love how comprehensive it is, describing it as Christmas morning. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE gives you, well, a printer. But hey, at least you won't be overwhelmed with accessories you might not need. Now, let's talk setup. The Asani Mini comes fully assembled. You just unbox it and boom, you're ready to print like a pro. Reviewers praise its ease of setup, especially for beginners. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE, though, claims you can assemble it in 20 minutes. Users generally find the assembly straightforward, but it does require some time and effort. Feature time. The Asani Mini is rocking auto leveling, a dual Z-axis rail, one-touch filament loading, and even Wi-Fi compatibility. Reviewers highlight its precision and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE, however, is no slouch either. It boasts high-speed printing of 250 millimeters per second, a powerful Sprite direct extruder, and auto filament loading. Users appreciate its speed and reliability, likening it to the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Lastly, let's not forget customer support. Asani Mini doesn't mention anything special in terms of customer support, so it might be a bit of a gamble if you run into issues. On the other hand, Creality offers a 12-month after-sales service. Reviewers appreciate the peace of mind this provides, knowing they have a whole year to get assistance if something goes wrong. Overall, reviewers find the Asani Mini 3D printer to be an excellent choice for beginners with its ease of use, comprehensive starter kit, and high-quality prints. However, it comes at a higher price point. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its affordability, high-speed printing, and solid performance, though it requires some assembly and has occasional software issues. So there you have it, folks. The Asani Mini 3D printer is a feature-packed, ready-to-go option that's perfect for beginners, but it'll cost you. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a budget-friendly, high-speed marvel with solid support, but you'll need to do a bit of assembly. Which one should you choose? Well, that depends on whether you want to spend your time printing or assembling, and how much you value your hard-earned cash. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more epic showdowns, and let us know in the comments which 3D printer you think takes the crown. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.